Ready to revolutionize your cooking? The Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 pressure cooker is an absolute game changer, making gourmet meals effortless. Imagine replacing 9 different kitchen appliances with just one incredible device. It's a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, and so much more. This versatility means less clutter, more space, and endless culinary possibilities right at your fingertips. With 15 smart, customizable programs, you can literally set it and forget it, achieving perfect results whether you're making yogurt, cakes, or sterilizing bottles. No more guesswork. Simply press a button for perfectly cooked, healthy meals every single time, saving you precious time and effort. And the durable stainless steel inner pot isn't just easy to clean. It ensures your food is cooked safely and healthily, without any non-stick worries. If you're looking to upgrade your kitchen in 2025 and cook faster without sacrificing flavor, this is the ultimate kitchen must-have. For an appliance that truly does it all, check out the Instant Pot Duo Plus on Amazon by clicking the link in the description right now. It simplifies complex recipes and empowers you to create delicious dishes, making healthy eating accessible even on busy weeknights. Don't miss out on transforming your cooking experience. Grab your Instant Pot Duo Plus today. It's highly recommended for every modern kitchen.